Welcome to another episode for our channel here at Carbon Media. Again, this is Mikey.
This is Patrick.
And today, we're going to KARRERA showroom again for the Manila Street Chronicles Watch Party. So, check natin kung anong mga happening doon. So, let's go! We are now here at Block 10 or here at KARRERA showroom. Ayun, nahirapan kami mag-park at ang lakas ng ulan. So, ayun, medyo late kami. Pero check natin kung ano pa yung maabutan natin dito sa Manila Street Chronicles event here at KARRERA. So, let's go! So, nandito tayo sa KARRERA. Balita ako, uso daw ang donut dito eh. Donut. Donut. Dahil uso ang donut dito sa KARRERA. Yan, have some donut.
Boss, baka masita ako.
Hindi ka masisita.
Wala pa. Seryoso ka?
Get some donut!
Ito naman. Umiikot pre.
Ay, umiikot na donut oh. Hi Boss Charles. Hi, have some donut. Uso yan dito sa KARRERA. So, huwag kang mahihaya. Boss, donut! Di ka tataba dyan.
Donut.
May pa-donut.
Magpapadonut din ako nito mamaya paglabas.
Hey, have some donuts. Uso dito yan sa KARRERA. Have some donuts. Have some donuts. Doon na kami sa KARRERA ni Patoy. And namimigay na kami ng donut.
Uso donut dito eh.
Uso donut dito eh. So, let's share some donuts. Hey Brian, have some donut!
I knew someone was.
Ayan, dahil uso daw dito ang donut.
Fucking doing the donuts today.
Yeah, donuts for KARRERA. Dahil uso yan dito. Have some donuts. Manila Street Chronicles in the house. Welcome to the vlog.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, nalate kami. Ang hirap pag-park.
I heard.
Lakas pa na ulan.
Thank you for the donut.
Of course.
Oh, dude.
We have a lot.
Donut, bro.
Donut in KARRERA, bro.
Oh, bro, have some donuts. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Have some donuts.
This is the legal donut.
The legal donut, ha? From Carbon Media. Alright. Yeah, donuts.
This guy brought donuts today here in KARRERA. Ito pa, ubus na.
Ayan, meron pa doon. Oh, have some. The legal donuts. Legal donuts here at KARRERA. Get some, get some.
Thank you.
Alright, we are now here at KARRERA. Give some donuts. Donuts. D5. Have some donuts. Wala. Don't be lame. Have some donuts. Have some donuts. Have some donuts. What's up? Ang tagal namin sa labas, hirap mag-part, ang lakas sa ulan.
Malayo rin.
Oh, layo din. Ito pala, naka-display pala tong Orth yan, Ibanawi boy. Look at that, new set of wheels. Have some donut? Okay na? Hi, have some donut? Want some donut? Donut? Uso daw dito sa KARRERA to, boss. Okay lang, donut, come on. Get some. Hindi ka tataba dito, bro. Okay lang. Don't be shy, come on. Get some, come on. Pag nasa KARRERA ka, dapat may donut.
Thank you.
Hi, have some donuts. Come on, get one please. Hindi ka tataba rito. Check out the other cars. There's a Celica. And another Celica, an older Celica. Orange. Ayan o, Celica. Hey, have some donut. Seriously, get some. Uso dito yan sa KARRERA. Get one. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Hi, have some donuts.
Hi, thank
Uso
you
dito sa KARRERA, donuts.
Thank you so much.
Ayan, have some donuts. Tatawa-tawa ka dyan, get some. Oh, get some donuts. Yan. Trending ang donut dito eh, so ayan.
Thank you so
Enjoy
much.
natin ang donut.
Thank you.
Hi, what's up, Sexy Love?
Hello.
Have some donut. Have some donut. Yan, last two. Come on, get some. Dahil uso to sa KARRERA, so you need to get one. Yan. Hooray! Donuts! Pat, wala natirang donut. Ubus.
Uso yan dito eh.
So dito, best seller. Let's go, let's go. Let's check out the cars. Sir Jason. Si Rafi. What's up, Rafi?
Basta.
Ubus na yung donut ko, sayang. Namigyan ako donut.
Binigyan mo na sa akin. Sino nabibigyan ng donut? Gago si Nicky.
Eh, uso donuts dito eh.
Masarap.
Check out the wheels here. Mga dala ni Banawi Boy ito for sure. This is restored by OSMR number 1. Yan, so TT37 Rega Master. Ano to? Ronald?
Lila Puma.
Puma, okay.
Ha?
Bear, bagay sa ito
Yes.
Agi Bear.
Bakit? Bagay si Barney.
Barney. Hello. Pero ano tong wheels na nakabit ngayon? Di Banawi Boys Ortia. Ayan, Honda Ortia niya. Ang pink wheels. And iba pala this on this side. Naka-TE. Check it out. And syempre may moto combo sa loob. Oh, ayan oh, check yung moto combo. Benetton steering wheel.
Baka nyo rin sa Honda QC, naka-display rin to.
Kailan?
Monday to Friday.
This coming Monday to
Yes,
Friday.
This coming.
Alright. So, let's check out the Buzzhype booth naman.
Oh,
Tour mo naman kami.
Oh.
Kaibigan ko mahilig mag-survey. Survey mo naman kami.
Aming Buzzhype booth.
Pwede ba maki-survey dito, bro?
Yes, survey lang anytime. So ito yung shirts na binibenta namin. Manila Street Chronicle X Buzzhype.
Buzzhype.
Release lang. Tsaka may binibenta rin ngayon na
Limited edition na steering wheel.
steering wheel. So it's priced at 8,000 pesos. Pero ito na lang yung natitira.
Last piece.
Yes, so naka-number pa yan.
1 out of 10.
Yes.
Ito yung number 1.
Yes.
Wow. Buti hindi tinago ni Justin. Bakit Justin pala mismo?
Yung 1.
Kaya yung number 1, di ba? So yan o. Godspeed to our local car community para sa kultura.
Yes.
Eat donuts, don't do it, di ba?
Eat donuts lang.
Kakain lang tayo ng donut, hindi tayo magdo-donut sa kalsada, ha? Yan, Buzzhype, Manila Street Chronicles Collab shirt. Anong size available?
Ubus na yung XL. Pero sa'yo may kasya pa namang 5XL.
Are you fucking kidding me? 5XL? I'm a punch in the face. I'm a punch in the
available
face.
size pa ba?
Meron pa.
Ano size
Meron pa ba
na?
kaming size? Ni Patrick? 2XL? Magkano isa? Sige, dalawa. What's up, Justin? What's up, vlog? Welcome to my guys. Ayan, nabudol kami ni D5. Nabudol kami, dalawang shirt. Ayan, ito, si Patrick, Justin. Alright? Thank you, thank you. Ayan o, thank you.
Salamat sa pagpunta, bro, ha?
Of course.
Salamat sa supporta, as in, super duper appreciate.
Support all of our friends. Ayan naman kami sa Carbo Media. We always support.
Ano po yan? Ito po?
Ah, si D5 magkano? Bebenta ko lang. For free, ano yan? Benta. Ibebenta natin sa si D5.
Libre lang.
Gusto mo ba may support pa or yan na, as is?
Supportan natin.
Sige, box.
Oh, box, pwede rin. Napapadalas ka daw sa... Hindi ko sasabihin. Alright, let's check out the cars here on display. An old Celica in red, oh. Ganda. Race prep siya. And naka-roll cage. And ito yung kay Luis Gono na drift car. This is a 180 SX.
Yes.
Tama, di ba? 240 SX. Luis Gono. Siyempre, ang racer ng ating bossing sa MOTUL AUTOPLUS.
Yes,
Bossing. Yeah, one of our brand
para
partners.
dito.
Ha?
Tinapos yan para dito.
Tinapos talaga for today para may display. So, sayang hindi natin naabutan yung launch ng video. Panoorin na lang natin sa YouTube. Pero ayan, it's nice to see old friends here. Di ba? Nandito today. Kahit maulan, nandito.
Oo, daming tao.
Dami kanina. Hindi lang din namin nakunan. Ang hirap, nakaka-stress. Ang lakas ng ulan, walang ma-parking ang kanina.
Dulo na kayo.
Dulo, doon kami sa dulo doon. So, ayan. Then, yung Orsia ni Panawi Boy, the white Celica, and a bright orange Celica din. Ganda. What's up, Cody? Ayun, pakalat-kalat ka na naman. Teka, solo ka ngayon Buti wala kang kasama.
Kasama yung pinsan.
Binata ka ngayon? Yan.
Joke lang.
Let's check out some of the cars here outside KARRERA. So, we have a Supra here, an Audi, an 86, BRZ. There you go. A GTR. What's up, Kevin? Sorry, sisilo ka ba? Hi.
Hello.
Tinahan natin. Hi, Mikey from Carbon Media.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Yun, buti tumigil na yung ulan. Hassle, hirap mag-park kanina. At least okay na. Yeah, we're vlogging for today, for tonight. Patlace talaga. Nice to see you here.
Allen.
Patrick. Teka, may nakikita tayo. What's up? It's Alan of BSC. What's up?
Wait lang.
You're late. Ano, Pat? May nakita ka ng gusto mong auto? Ano ba to? Beats RS. So, ayan, lakasan natin ilaw. Oh, there you go. In black. And a Mustang. Let's check out these BMW E30. And the 86 of Marc Anton David, the MF Ghost. And dito sila nakapark. There's a BMW there, an S14. So let's go here. Check out this Benz. Ganda. And another E30. Check us out the cars here. An AE92, CRV Gen 1, 86, Miata, and a GR Yaris. Check this out, GR Yaris. Hi, Boss Charles. Hello. Nasa yung Evo, ayun. Evo 5 ni Boss Charles. Check it out, fresh. Nice car, boss. Dala mo palang Evo for tonight.
Nice ba?
Ayos, I like it. I love it.
Thank you sa donut.
Ayan, mabenta ang donut natin for tonight. So boss, ikot lang kami.
Tara.
Tama ka?
Tama ko.
Tara. Check this out. Euro 1 Corolla. Ubus na yung donut ko, mabenta, sold out.
Donut po?
Sold out po.
Bawal po dito yung donut.
Ayun nakakain ang pwede.
Ayun ang kain.
Legal.
Pa isa.
Sige.
Dessert?
Nauna yung dessert, isa pa.
Pa daw.
Sabihin ka. Alright, this is it for today's episode. Thank you Manila Street Chronicles and Buzzhype for inviting us for tonight sa event nyo. Si D5, ayun. Kaya kasama natin ngayon si D5. Palipat-lipat ang gulo. So ayan, this is it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Carbon Media. You can also like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Again, this is Mikey,
Patrick.
D5 for
Hello.
Carbon Media. Thanks for watching. Peace out.